What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today on this video I'll be showing you guys how to properly wash my M4 and wash your car also. You can take the tips that I show you in this video to also wash your car. As you guys can see, the car doesn't really look dirty at first glance, but if you get closer, for example, look at the front wheels. I can see right here, this brake dust is crazy. As you guys can see that the wheels is terrible. It's pollen season, so it's pollen all over the vehicle. See right here at the top of the car is dirty. The back car is pretty filthy. Pollen right here and everything. So yeah, we're gonna get it cleaned up today. I'm gonna go over all the things that I'll be using today on this detail to make sure the car is clean. So first thing that we have here is our foam cannon. We have a zero acid wheel cleaner from Suds Lab right there. Leather conditioner right here for the interior of the car from Chemical Guys. Black soap from Black Lion. We have another speed gloss cleaner here from Black Lion. We got a glass cleaner. We have paper towels. Got a few brushes for the wheel. This sponge right here is for the tire shine. This is to wash the car, this cloth right here, and we got a few microfiber cloth, and this is the cloth that we're going to use to dry the vehicle. Okay, and obviously we have a bucket and the machine that we're going to be using today. This power wash right here from Predator, 159cc. It's a gasoline engine, and I got this from Harbor Freight. And majority of the wash, the nozzle that we're going to be using is this white one right here. Everything else is pretty much too strong. We have a turbo nozzle right here that we're not going to use. We're going to stick with this nozzle right here. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do is coat the vehicle with water. Alright, we're gonna start with the wheels because the wheels is really the dirtiest part. I see how dirty. Look at all this brake dust. All this water right here. See how black it is? That's on the brake dust. Zero acid wheel cleaner right here. First thing you want to do, shake it up very well. Make sure that you have the wheel is not hot, and you're gonna spray it on there. Follow the instruction and let it sit for about 30 to 60 seconds, and then spray it off with clean water. So that's what we're gonna do right now. While it's sitting, we're gonna just clean best as we can. You guys, I find it easier to clean with a rag. I find it much easier to do with a rag, so that's what we're doing right now instead of the brushes. Shit. This shit is pretty clean, you guys, not gonna lie. Wow. This shit works well. Shit worked pretty well. What I need now, I need the long brushes so I can get behind the wheel now and get it clean. I see this wheel is dirty as hell. You know, spray it on there. Damn, this is strong as fuck. The rears are not that dirty, so I'm just gonna do like one, you know, coat all over for the back wheels because they're not that dirty. All right, guys. So while the wheels are soaking in the wheel cleaner, I'm gonna let that sit for about 40 seconds. In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and get my foam cannon filled up with foam. Just wax on and wax off like Mr. Miyagi. And for my exhaust, I use the same brush that I use for the wheels to clean the tips of the exhaust. Alright, you guys, so after you get the car completely washed, this is the final step with the water. I'm gonna come in and spray the car off. So with this step, guys, it's also a method to do this. You're gonna start from the top of the vehicle and work your way downwards, right? So I'm gonna start from the top. I'm gonna push all the soap. I'm gonna push all the soap over that way. First step, we're gonna start with the hood. We're gonna push the soap that way. Bumper, push the soap down. The top of the vehicle and push the soap downward. Push, push. Now it's time to get the car dried, and I have this material cloth right here. I forgot exactly what it's called, but it's like spongy rubbery type material. I'm gonna link this down below so you guys can find it. Basically, you're able to, it soaks up a lot more water than the regular microfiber cloth would do. So as you can see, look, I'm gonna show you an example. You do one wipe, you know, and it dries the area that the water is at with one wipe. So just like that. It's just a better absorbent than the actual cotton cloth. Just holds, it's able to hold a lot more water than cotton, basically.
It's just pretty amazing. Anything.
Front of the car is completely dry. Now it's time to do the windshield and backwards. Just come to the windshield right here. In my cloth, I'll do like one big pass first. Come right here, one big pass. So you can see that's completely dry. Completely dry. I forgot to show you guys one of the final products that we're gonna use for the car whenever you're done washing and drying and cleaning your wheels. So the final product that we're gonna use is this tire shine right here. Everybody pretty much know this brand. So what I like to do, I like to spray it on my sponge first. Spray it on my sponge first, and then I come in and apply it to the tire. Because if I don't do it this way, you'll find the spray going on the body of the car and it'll probably go on the rims and get sticky and absorb more dust. So we don't really want that. So what I do, I just spray it on sponge first, and I just go around the tire once or twice to get a perfect shine. So that is it for this video, you guys. Hopefully you guys learned something from this video. Make sure you guys like the video, comment on the video, and share the video. And a lot more of these videos coming soon. A lot more videos about the car. I'm still thinking about going to Beamer Invasion. I know it's only a couple days left to go, but I don't know if I want to go yet. So it might be a Beamer Invasion vlog coming soon. Either way, you guys, make sure you show some love to the video, share it, like it, and see you guys in the next one. We out.